In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine splash shield on this Volkswagen Tiguan. This is going to be located underneath the front bumper. Let's get into it. Using a 7mm socket, take these screws out. On the sides, it's just clipped in right here. You just want to try to pull this out. Pull it off the front. Do the same on the other side. It just pulls out. I'm going to remove these screws. There's a T25 socket. Take that out. On the sides, there's one there, one there, one there. Should be one there. Right there and right there. Now I'm just going to use a trim tool. You can see where it's clipped in here and on the other side. And just slide it right back. Now I'll take this. I'm going to slide the bracket. So one's going to come down, this is going to go up, this is down, this is up, this is down, up. Get that slid in place. That's good. Now I'll put the screws in. Get those started. Should be another one right there on the other side. And one more in the middle, and we'll snug those down. Now I take this shield, get this lined up. And just push it on. You can use a rubber mallet if you need to. Push the sides in place. That's good. Now put these screws in and snug them down. That was quick and easy, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.